If your spices are all unorganized, you don't know what you have multiples of some things, you don't have enough of others, and you know, I felt like these were kind of organized because I have most of them in plastic containers. Every time I cook, I have to go through all my spices just to find the ones I need. If yours look like this and you want them to look like this, all organized and labeled, then you won't want to miss this video. I've loved these Amazon products so much that I decided to become an Amazon associate. So if you want to support my channel in any way, this would be a wonderful way. If you click on the link for any of my Amazon products, I'll receive a commission off of whatever you purchase. Welcome back to my channel. I've been so excited to share this video with you. I purchased on Amazon the Lynk's Professional Spice Rack, but I love these so much because they will fit any drawer. You just place one on top of the other and slide it to however wide your cabinet is. I'll show you what I mean in just a minute. You see, my drawer is a little wider than just one of these, so I need two. You can see how I expanded it to be the width that I need. This shelving I'm showing here is not quite as long as my drawer, but it's okay because even if it was, I wouldn't be able to reach back there. So this works. Okay, now I'm just showing all my spices. They're all different sizes and shapes and different labels. But I'm putting garlic powder in my first container. Now I have chili powder or paprika, I can't quite tell. But I'm going through to see if I have another spice that's just like this one. Looks like that's all I have. And I'm also placing the empty spice container right next to the new one. That way when I label them, I know what it is that I'm labeling, basically. Some of the spices are similar in color. Chili powder, paprika, they could look the same. And so I want to make sure I label them correctly. And every once in a while I just have to rinse the funnel because some of the spices kind of stick in there. This is cloves, but I'm just going to go through and put all my spices in these new containers. I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. I found a miracle. I'm just checking for dates. I think it's okay for spices to be a little past the date. It just means they're not going to be as potent. They're not going to hurt you or anything, but if I notice they're a couple years old, I'll throw them out. So that's what I'm doing when I'm looking at the dates. Okay, so now I finally have all my spices in my containers, and now I'm working on the labels. This label maker that you can see, I tried to make labels. I didn't quite like how it turned out, so now I'm flipping through the different labels that came with the jars. That's what I decided to use. So I didn't record that part, but I'll show you the end result. I love it so much. It is perfectly organized and it feels so nice. And I also have these 4 tiny mason jars that I put my pink salt, black pepper, taco seasoning, and sugar. One of the nicest things about this is I can see exactly what I have a ton of, and what I'm running low on. I also put my spices in alphabetical order. Of course, you do not need to do that. I have never alphabetized my spices, but it was kind of fun for me to do. I hope this video was motivating and inspiring to you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That's how I know if you like my videos. And also leave me comments. I love to read comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you can watch all of my newest videos. Love you all, and I'll talk to you soon.